Welcome to Imperfect Pilates. I'm your Pilates instructor, Marcia. In today's workout, we're going to stretch it out. I always like to say, when in doubt, stretch it out. So you've done cardio, you've done strength training, you've done all kinds of fun stuff. Now it's time for dessert. It's time to stretch that body and relax. We're going to start off with some neck stretches. So we're going to have a seat and we're going to take our hand, pull our neck down where our ear meets our shoulder. Good. What I want you to do right here is just like close your eyes, take a deep breath. Let's start to relax. Breath in, breath out. Every time you take those deep breaths, you start to relax. And think about that stretching. It takes about 15 seconds for the muscle to relax. So this isn't a 5-second stretch. These are about 15 to 20 second stretches. Good. We're going to release the neck up, hold it again, pull, feel this nice pull on the other side. The other one will have the ear to the shoulder, go as far as you can go. Breathing in and breathe out. Doesn't that feel good? You're just releasing and washing the stress away. Good. Now we're going to go to the other side. Take your hand. You're going to pull. Make sure you get that nice stretch across the neck. Your other ear is going to meet your shoulder. And just think about breathing in, breathing out. Start to relax as you pull the muscle into that pose. Now, working out, when you stretch it out, stretching is a pose. Sometimes it's very, very hard to focus on stretching. A lot of people discount it. We want you to relax, bring it up, but we want you to stretch. Pull your neck down. Stretching and recovery is the most important part of all these workouts. Don't forget to stretch. Good. The more you do it, the more you start to love it. Awesome. We're going to bring it up. How does that neck feel? So we're going to go down, circle it, and then go down the other side, circle it. So elbow, ear to the shoulder, looking down, nose down, ear to the shoulder. Good. Roll it again. We always have a lot of tension in our neck from computers, being on the phone, working out, stress, all kinds of stuff. We need to relax that. Good. Now let's bring it up. Good job. All right, few shoulder rolls. We're going to go forward and backwards. So you choose. I'm actually going backwards on this. So just keep rolling it out. Roll. Good. It feels so good. I already feel less stress. Just relax in the neck. And now we're going to go forward. Good. Might hear a little bit of cracking, but that's okay. We're working it. Good. Few more rolls. Now we're going to take it to the front. So what I want you to do is take a deep breath in. We're going to stretch it over just like this and lay. And just think about how far you can go on the floor, how you can touch, pull yourself up. I'm pulling on that lower back. Such a nice stretch. Now we're going to take this pull as far as you can go, walk those hands up. Now we're going to walk it to the side. And as you start to make your way over, you can feel a pull into the shorter arm. So this one's longer on this side, this one's shorter. This is where I'm going to feel the pull. Good. That feels so good. I've learned to love stretching over the years. It wasn't my favorite thing, but now it's one of my favorite things. Now we're going to walk it to the other side. You're going to come back to the middle. Oh, this is my favorite part. Yes, that arm that's shorter is getting the stretch. The longer arm is going to help you pull And just hang out here for a second. And don't forget your breath. That's the most important part when you stretch. Deliver all that oxygen and blood to the muscles. Breathing it out. Just washing away all that stress and tension. Good job. Walk it back to the center. See how a little more flexible you are? Now we're going to pull it again. Take those arms, walk it up, and pull. Look down. Good job. And then we're going to walk it back up. How does that lower back feel? A couple little circle shoulder rolls here. That felt super, super good. That was yummy. Jackie and I like to call stretching dessert. It's one of our favorite things. All right, we're going to take it to the back. We're going to lay down, and we're going to pull in one knee into the chest. We've done all those single leg stretching in this program, so we really want to stretch it out, stretching out the glutes, the hamstrings. I can feel this even in the hip flexors. I'm so tight. So just bringing it down and pulling. Good. This is your time. This little stretch that's like dessert, it's your time to really think like, what am I going to do with my day today? What am I going to accomplish? Awesome. Leg down, grab the other leg, pull it into the chest, go as far as you can go. In Pilates, there's different types of levels and different ranges of motion. And that's why you create Imperfect Pilates. You get to do you. You don't have to be perfect. It's about progress, not perfection. Awesome. You're going to relax the leg. Now we're going to take both legs, bring it up, bring it knees to the chest. Good. Just stretch it in and give a deep hug. Take your arms. Let's hug it. Yes, just like this. Bring your neck up. Circle it as far as you can go. And open up. We're going to lay down. Now we're going to stretch. Hands and toes open wide. Move your fingers. There's a lot of contracting in Pilates. So we want to open up, stretch out the muscles. Good job. Now we're going to take our knee and we're going to put it to the other side. Arm up, and you're going to fold it over to the opposite side. Good. Relax into that. It's like you're wringing out. Remember all those seated twists? It's the same type of movement, but you're stretching it out. Few more seconds. Taking a deep breath. Good. Bring your knee in. Relax it. We're going to bring the other knee in. Put the toe behind the knee. And then to the other side. Good. Some of my favorite ones. I'm not that flexible, but I'm always going to try to master stretching. It's about consistency and it's about never giving up. I always see those girls that can flex like Jackie. They're so flexible and you're like, wow, I wish I had that ability. But I love trying. And that's what you can do. Just try. All you have to do is try. All right. We're going to go to our front. And then what we're going to do right here is we're going to do Cobra. So we're just going to like bring it back, stretch it up, and you're going to look up. Stretching out that front. And then you're going to come into more of a Sphinx pose right here. And then you're just going to look to one side. Stretching out that neck. And then you're going to go forward, and then you're going to go to the other side, looking back around your shoulder, feeling that deep stretch in the neck. And you're going to look forward again. Good. We're going to come into downward dog. Going to be on tabletop right here. Tuck your toes, come under, and feel that nice stretch on your calves, your hamstrings, your glutes. Ah, that feels amazing. Yes. You're going to walk out. We call it walk the dog. Yes. All right, we're going to come back to tabletop. Last stretch of the day, we're going to go into child's pose. So we're just going to bring it down. Breathing in, breathing out into the movement. Stretch your arms long, stretching out those hips. Yes. This is the best part of Pilates, right? Or do you prefer teasers? All right, that's what we have for you today for stretch. I hope you feel nice and loose, and I will see you next time for your workout. Make sure to tag us on social media because we love to see your sweaty selfies. See you in the next workout.